I have the Samsung Smart TV, and I'll be showing you how to change or switch the input source on this TV. So this is basically changing or switching through the different peripherals connected to HDMI ports and the USB ports of your TV. Now with these modern Samsung TVs, you get a smart remote which does not have the source button. On older remotes, you did have a source button that you could press and it will cycle through the different sources or different devices connected to your TV. Now on this newer remotes, all you have to do is use the interface. So just go ahead and look for connected devices. And then once you get there, you can now cycle through the different devices connected to your TV. So for instance, I have that device I can switch to. I have this other device, a Roku. I have this USB flash disk. If you have a console connected, then you should also see it there. So that's using the smart remote or the solar remote. Now you can also switch between different sources using the physical button on the TV. So just locate the Samsung logo. Mine is right there. And just below the Samsung logo, there should be a button that you can press. Now pressing once will bring up the menu, and if you press once and release, it's going to go through the menu items. To select something, just long press. So let me demonstrate that for you. So here we have the button under here. So I'm just going to attempt to press the button. So I just found it's slightly to the side. So pressing once like that brings up the menu, and if I press again, it's going to move, and again it's going to move, and then again, and then again, until I get to source. Now to select source, just long press, and that's going to switch between different sources. I can long press again, it's going to go to the next one. Long press again, it's going to move to the next one. And that's how I can change or cycle between the different sources or input sources on my Samsung Smart TV. Now also, you can use the Smart Things app on your phone. So if you've set up the Smart Things app, just launch it and then bring up the remote control. You can either use that, or even on the TV itself, you should see sources and apps. If you tap on that, you can switch between the different sources on the TV. So for instance, I'm there right now. I can go to TV. I can go to my USB flash disk and have all these options. Okay, I can go to my Roku using the SmartThings app on the phone. So those are the different ways of changing or switching the source inputs of your Samsung, or input sources of your Samsung Smart TV. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.